Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzy with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is some happy mail that I received from my boo-boo Diane, who is crafting with fear. And unfortunately, I filmed and my camera cut out on me, so I didn't notice, and so the element of surprise isn't there, but I want to share what she sent. And you guys, look what she made, you guys. This is an explosion box, and it is a pretty big box. It's about a 5x5 box, and it's Halloween. She absolutely loves Halloween, and she used the Hey Pumpkin collection, which is definitely a staple in my opinion. And I love this box. Such a cute little Halloween box. So such a cute little box, and then it's like an explosion, you guys. Look how cute is that. It's decorated and it's all Halloween. So let's go ahead and get into this one. So it's kind of like an album. She used lots of diamond dust she crafts with. Yeah, so the element of surprise isn't there, but I absolutely love this, you guys. It's such a cute little embellishment, and look at this. Isn't that cute? I love this. It's such a neat idea. I could use pictures in here, or I could make it into an October daily. I don't have any of that, so I don't craft that. But look at this. I love how she did that. She did some inking around this piece right here, added some diamond dust. And then this is also the same thing where you pull. It's like a waterfall. And you could add some pictures there, or you could add some journaling. So cute. There's that. That one says trick or treat. Huge spider in the middle. Look at this one right here. I love the bow, the ghosts with the reflection. She has some flat backs there. So pretty. And this one has a pocket. I think all of them have a pocket. Yeah, they all have pockets. And look at that. I can add some pictures. This one lifts up like this. So it's kind of like an accordion. You can see it's long, very long. You can add so much there. But isn't this so cute and creative? I love this. I never made an explosion box before, and definitely never had one in my hands. So this was a very nice treat to have. Thank you so much, Diane. So she made that, and she gifted me some of this pom-pom trim, and it's perfect for Christmas crafting right now. She also made me a card. This is a Halloween card. It says, "Hey Boo." Such a cute card. Okay, so everything has been taken out. So here are all the bags that everything was in. So we have some very cute decorative bags here. So cute. And she sent me some of this eyelash trim, which I definitely need for, I love this gold. My Hobby Lobby doesn't have this gold. And I love the purple and the green for Halloween, and especially this one for Valentine's, which is coming up very soon. And you guys, oh my goodness. She sent this little trinket box, which I think is a pill box. It has already been opened, but it's so cute. Look at the little bee. Such a cute little piece, and it opens like that. So I think it's a pill box. I would definitely use it for a pill box or vitamin box. So cute. Look at that bee. How cute is that? And then she sent this. It says, "Life is only for you." And then it's a bracelet. Look at that bee, you guys. She's all into steampunk, so that's like a steampunk bee, and it's such a stunning piece, and these two go together. Look how beautiful that is. So beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful pieces here that she gave me. Such a generous gift. Beautifulness here. And then she also sent me some diamond dust, which I can use. And I love these little Halloween pieces. And you guys, she sent me a memory decks box. But look at this box, you guys. This is an Alice in Wonderland box. And it says right here, I don't know if you could see it. It's so big, you guys. It says Alice in Wonderland. It's decorated in diamond dust. And then she has like this eyelash trim. And she's put in some pearls right there. Such a beautiful piece. Let's go ahead and put it down here. And let's see here. It is about... oh my goodness. So let's see here. A little under 13, so it's about 12.5 inches long, you guys. Look at the bottom. So pretty. I'm kind of glad that I had to redo this because these two fell off and I glued them, so you can't see that. Look at the flowers she added here. So, oh my goodness. I am... look at her memory decks, you guys. She sent me a memory decks. And I believe this is the first memory decks that I ever received from her. She has her information here, a business card. So that's her information right there if you want to check her out. Cute little business card. I love how she did that. And Alice in Wonderland themed, and it goes right there. So cute, you guys. And let's see here. Okay, that is it, you guys. Diane, thank you so much for my memory decks box. I appreciate this so much. It's I love handmade, you guys. You know I love handmade. I love store-bought as well, but man, when it comes to handmade, there's nothing like handmade. And look at this box, you guys. It fits so much. It's gonna fit so much of my memory decks cards, and it's so sturdy, and I love it. Her explosion box and all of the other goodies that she sent, and the stunning pieces that she sent as well. Stunning pieces, and I love her card. Thank you so much for this card. I love it. She did say it was also a belated birthday, you guys, and I am so grateful for this. Thank you so much, Diane. You are amazing, and I love my memory decks box so much. Oh my goodness, I love it. She has a tutorial on her channel, so go ahead and check her out if you want to learn how to make one of these, and you can make it your own themed however you like. And it's so big, you guys. You guys will enjoy that. And I love it so much. Thank you so much, Diane. She will be linked below if you guys want to check her out. She does a Halloween all year round. She does steampunk, and she supports everyone and anyone, especially she makes friends with everyone. So she makes everyone feel comfortable. So yeah, go ahead and check her out, and she will befriend you. And she will be linked below like always, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.